Need to send a quick budget? Don't start from scratch. Let Copilot build it for you. Whether it's a small job, a personal favor, or a simple service, Copilot in Word can create a clear and organized budget in seconds. Idea number 1. A simple personal budget. Try this prompt. Create a one-page budget for a weekend road trip, including fuel, food, hotel, total of $350. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. Copilot organizes the expenses into sections and calculates the total for you. Idea number 2. Budget for a home repair. Ask Copilot, write a budget for fixing a leaky roof. $2,000 for labor, $6,000 for materials. Great for small contractors or helping a neighbor. Fast and clear. Idea number 3. Budget with branding. Type this. Create a detailed budget for event planning with breakdowns and a logo at the top. Copilot adds a polished layout with sections, branding, and total cost. No more messy spreadsheets or plain text lists. Let Copilot turn your notes into a clean and ready-to-use budget.